How to speak English from day one. You don't need thousands of words. You only need the right sentences. In today's lesson, you will learn 30 of the most useful English sentences for beginners. These sentences are used in everyday life. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's get started. 30 important English sentences for A1. Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What is your name? My name is Tom. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from Egypt. How old are you? I'm 20 years old. I live in Abu Dhabi. I speak English. I don't understand. Can you help me? Please speak slowly. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Excuse me. I'm sorry. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. I like coffee. I don't like tea. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Where is the bathroom? How much is this? I would like some water. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.